Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a treble crochet. So in the last video I taught you how to do a half double crochet. Now we're going to teach you how to do a treble crochet. Okay, so you start by slip knot. Now make some foundation chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how to make a treble crochet. You yarn over 2 times. Okay, so 1, you got 2 loops. Do it again. Now you have 3. Now you go in the first stitch like that. Okay, so it looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You yarn it over, go through, you always go through the first loop to draw up a loop. So you're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Okay, you yarn over, you go through 2, now you have 3 loops. You yarn over again, you go through 2, so now you have still 2 loops on. You yarn over again and go through both of them. That is how you do a treble crochet. Okay, so you yarn over twice, you got 3 loops. Okay, so yarn over 2 times. The next stitch is right here. You always draw up a loop. You have 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. You yarn it over and go through the first 2. That will make you have 3 loops. Yarn over it again, go through just 2 loops. That first 2. Okay, that will leave you with 2 loops again. Do it again and yarn over and pull through both of them. Just like that. Okay, just do it again. Over, yarn it over 2 times. That you have 3 loops. You go in your chain. You always draw up a loop. You go through the first 2 loops. And then again, first 2, last 2. Okay? Yarn over 2 times. And a stitch. Draw up the loop. Go through 2. And go through the other 2. And go through the 2 again. Okay, one last time. Yarn it over twice. In the loop chain, you draw up a loop. Always have 4 loops to start. Yarn over the first 2. You go through the other 2. And then the last 2. Just like that. Again, just this. Yarn over 2. go through 2, then go through 2. Yarn it over twice, go in a chain, pull up the loop, go through 2, go through 2, and go through 2. Last chain, oops, I didn't yarn over twice, see? And there you have it. You just made a treble crochet. Now I taught you how to do a single crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, and now a treble crochet. Now these are the main 4 stitches that you're going to be using to start off with. Every project you're probably going to start off with has one or the other. Those are the main basic 4 stitches that you need to learn. You need to learn how to do if you want to make something. Okay, so I hope you got it. Any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.